Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic, India's ambitious infrastructure revolution. Buckle up, because we are about to explore a series of mega projects that are transforming the nation's landscape. Imagine a future where traveling across India feels effortless, where goods reach their destinations faster, and entire regions unlock their economic potential. That's the vision behind India's massive infrastructure push. We are talking about a meticulously planned network of projects, each one playing a crucial role in the infrastructure. Let's start with the Bharatmala Pariyojana. This grand plan envisions a vast web of expressways connecting major cities. Think shorter travel times, smoother logistics, and a boom in job creation along these new corridors. Intercorridors will stitch existing highways together, while feeder roads will provide vital access to rural areas, boosting agricultural trade. And for coastal stretches, dedicated highways are on the horizon. Now, imagine passenger trains whizzing by on dedicated tracks, free from the congestion of freight traffic. That's the magic of the dedicated freight corridors, DFCs. These high-capacity railway networks are specifically designed for cargo movement, ensuring faster deliveries and a more efficient system for businesses. The crown jewel of this initiative, the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, this engineering marvel will be India's longest expressway, slashing travel time between these two economic powerhouses from 12 hours to a mere 6. Imagine the possibilities: a surge in tourism, a boost for economic activity, and a whole lot of saved time. Soaring alongside these land-based marvels is the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport. This state-of-the-art facility will not only ease the burden on Mumbai's existing airport but also prioritize sustainability and energy efficiency. Get ready for improved air connectivity for aviation jobs and a focus on a greener future. But this journey goes far beyond individual projects. The DMIC, Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, exemplifies the grand vision. Imagine a world-class industrial corridor stretching between Delhi and Mumbai, fostering trade and economic growth. Think industrial zones with everything businesses need to hit the ground running, seamlessly connected by the high-speed freight corridors and expressways we mentioned earlier. Add to that the allure of smart city features like intelligent transportation systems, and you have a recipe for attracting massive investments, generating millions of jobs, and propelling India's manufacturing and export sectors to new heights. While some projects, like the Navi Mumbai International Airport, are incorporating sustainability measures, there's always room for improvement. The question remains: how can we ensure environmentally conscious practices are woven into the fabric of all these endeavors? Sustainable infrastructure development is not just about building, it's about building responsibly for a greener tomorrow. India's infrastructure revolution is a testament to the nation's unwavering commitment to progress. By fostering interconnectedness, stimulating economic growth, and embracing sustainability, these projects have the potential to transform India's future. Imagine India on the global stage, a frontrunner in innovation and development, leading the way towards a more prosperous and sustainable future. That's all for today, folks. What are your thoughts on India's infrastructure revolution? Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.